Welcome to Working with Word. You'll need to open a blank Word document, and it probably will be on your end Word document 1. Mine happens to be document 60. And in the document, it's a blank page. Up on the top where you have the blue indicating you're in Word, the title bar. Over in the far left, you have the floppy disk, which is to save, and there is a shortcut key. We have a screen tip showing that it is Control S to save, or you can click this icon. There's the undo. We can't undo anything because we haven't done anything. And then this is redo, and it's also known as repeat or Control Y. And then the line with the arrow is Customize Quick Access Toolbar. So right now, underneath that Quick Access Toolbar, and we're going to customize it, are your tabs. And the default tab is Home, and that has it broken up the ribbon into groups called Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, Styles, and so forth. If you click the next tab, the ribbon changes, and they're all reflected on things that you would do that would be inserting. And the same thing with Draw, Design, Layout, Margins, Orientation. So each of the tabs have a particular topic that it focuses on, and the ribbon changes. The only one that the ribbon doesn't change is File. That's called the Backstage area, and that's where you're either going to open a new document or open one that you've worked on before, save, or print and share. So we can go back to the document. So right now in the Quick Access Toolbar, you just have 3 icons: Save, Undo, and Redo. So if you click this Customize Quick Access Toolbar, it shows you what's available and which ones are already selected: Save, Undo, and Redo. So one I'm going to put in, I'm going to put a couple, and every time you pick one, you have to go back to it to select another. So I'm going to do Quick Print, and then I have a little icon of a printer and a check mark. Then I'm going to choose Print Preview and Print, and I'll explain the difference between the two. And then I also want Editor, or maybe called Spelling. And if you hover over it, it's a editor mark. Yours may be the ABC for check spelling. Either way, it'll begin the spell check. So the difference between this icon, which is the quick print, and this one here that is the print preview, this one sends your document without even getting to look at it, how it would look on a full piece of paper. It just goes right to the printer. This one takes you to what's called the print preview area, so you can see, does everything fit nicely on one page? Is there just one sentence moved to another page? So you'd want to check it before you actually click print. So I prefer just the print preview. So I'm going to go back and uncheck quick print. I don't want the quick print. Now, if you decide, I use bullets a lot, or numbering, one of those you use a lot. But if you look in the Quick Access Toolbar, it's not available. So if you go to More Commands, you can select from here. Oh, I center all the time, so I'll put center over there. And then, yes, I use bullets a lot, so I'll put bullets over there. And you can always, so I'm adding to my Quick Access Toolbar, you can always remove, and there are plenty to choose from. These are just the popular one. You also choose all commands, and there's a lot to choose from. So I'm going to click OK. And then if I look up here in my Quick Access Toolbar, I have center. It has a shortcut too. And then I have my bullets. So the other thing I just wanted to show you, if normally your save and your undo and redo is in the top title bar area, if you accidentally put it below the ribbon, I just want to show you where it is. It's just a different location. So if you want to move it back up, you could choose Show Above the Ribbon. So now what I'd like you to do, so that I know that you adjusted your Quick Access Toolbar, and again, you can go back and take items off if you don't want them up there anymore, but every time you open Word, they will be there. So to get it, I'd like a screenshot. So you can do it 2 ways. I'm going to open another Word document, so Control N, and then I'll go, so now I'm at document 61, I'll choose Insert, Screenshot, and I'll come all the way down to the bottom where it says Screen Clipping, and then it goes to the other document, document 60, and as soon as it fades out, I'll take a screenshot, and I just need that corner, that's all I need. And then you'll save this document, and you can call it Quick Access Toolbar, and submit this. The other way you could do it is the snipping tool. So down at the bottom where it says type here to search, I'm going to type SN. There's my snipping tool. And then I'll choose new. And again, come up to the top corner. That's fine. And then you'll save this and submit. So either one that you want to submit is fine, either a Word document picture or a snipping tool picture. And that's it. Thank you.